family, welcome back to your girl's channel. So for today's video, guys, I'll be doing a full natural hair care routine on my hair today. And if you are OG and you have been watching all of my videos, I have been doing a lot of wig reviews, so I have been neglecting my hair. So I love to implement a lot of natural hair care routines in my videos, so you will see that today. So this, as you can see, judging by how this looks, is in need of a natural hair TLC routine. So we're gonna get into that today. So before we get into that video, make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Stay tuned. Let's see what's underneath here. Oh God. This, yeah. I'm in need for a trim too, because yeah, my hair. Ooh, yeah, it's looking a little. We gonna get this together. We gonna get this together. So before I get started with shampooing, conditioning my hair, I do like to go in with the pre-poo, and the pre-poo that I'm going to be using is this growth oil from Made Choice. And it's not really considered a pre-poo, but it does help with any buildup products to reduce the buildup product in your scalp, and also to get rid of a lot of itching, which I have right now. So this is going to be a part of my pre-pooing routine, and to also help with the detangling process before wash day. And of course, as you can see, we are working with 4 sections. We can't do anything, any hairstyles, any pre-poos, anything without doing 4 sections, because we just want this hair out the way. So as you can see, I'm applying this oil throughout my scalp in this section right here, and a little bit on the shaft as well, but we're focusing on that scalp because that's where that build-up product is at. Okay, yes ma'am. And then I'll go ahead with my spray bottle just to help with the detangling process. But this oil is really helpful. It's not really a pre-poo as I mentioned, but this is my pre-poo and my method of my routine. Okay. So this is the amount of hair that your girl has lost during the detangling process, and probably more when I get in the shower. Okay, step 2 of my natural hair care routine is time to wash. And the products that I'll be using today is from the Taraji Henson line, the Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo with the Make It Rain Hydration Rich Conditioner. I'm excited. This is my first time trying it out, so don't fail me now, Taraji. Okay, y'all, so let's get started with this shampoo. So Taraji P. Henson has the Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo with Moisture. It's supposed to cleanse, detox, and hydrate your hair for all types of hair. I love that already. So it says, when you need your deepest cleanse plus added moisture, Honey Fresh comes to the rescue. Oh, you know I love anything with honey, y'all. So it says it's infused with aloe, honey, and willow bark extract. What? Okay. Paraben free, mineral oil free. Okay, Taraji, you may know what you're doing, girl. Let's see, because my hair doesn't like anything, but it does love honey. So that sold me there. So let's see. Okay, so you do know me, and I will give my honest opinion. So when I started to wash the shampoo out of my hair, I was a little scared because my hair felt a little hard, like brittle-ish, as I was washing this shampoo out of my hair. But I do know when I do put a clarifying shampoo in my hair, it does strip a lot of my oils out of my scalp, leaving my hair feeling squeaky clean. Okay, so I'm just gonna give that benefit of the doubt. We haven't tried a conditioner yet, so let's hold that thought. Let's hold that thought. Okay. So now it's time to condition, and I'm going in with that Make It Rain Hydration Rich Conditioner, and I do love that it says it's a hydration conditioner. And as you can see, that consistency of this conditioner is pretty thick, and that's what I love. So it says that this is Make It Rain stacked full of botanical rich ingredients, showering your hair with moisture for irresistible, healthy looking hair. This hydration and strengthening conditioner helps smooth, detangle, and nourish your hair. So it's infused with aloe, avocado oil, and I love that. So that's what we need here. And it's doing something. Like, my hair feels really soft as I'm applying this conditioner in my hair, and that's what I need. I need that moisture, that hydration back in my hair after this clarifying shampoo. So really, I will use this clarifying shampoo when I really need it. So far, these products are a check for me. This is a good one. Good one, Taraji. Love it. Y'all, my hair feels so soft. So soft. I'm speechless. Like, it feels super soft. I was a little skeptical because how my hair was feeling after that shampoo, but it's a good balance. That clarifying shampoo is supposed to just remove all that buildup product out of your scalp, and then you just go in with that conditioner. It's a wonderful balance. I love it. My hair feels so good. My hair is not itchy, because usually when I try new products, my hair starts itching. So this is a plus for me. I love it. I love it. My hair feels so soft. I'm going to say that again. As I'm washing this conditioner out my hair feels super soft. I absolutely love it. But we're not done yet, because we got to go in with that deep conditioner, y'all, for that extra moisture and hydration. So with my natural hair care routine, I always go in with a steamer just to give that extra moisture and extra hydration while I'm deep conditioning, because it'll just really penetrate through my scalp. And that's what I need, especially since I've been neglecting my hair. So this steamer and this deep conditioner combined, the perfect results, y'all. Trust me. If you don't know, I'm putting you on, okay? Okay, y'all, so let's get into it. This is my hair after the deep conditioner and steamer, and it's time to wash this all out. And I'm at an all-time high right now. My hair looks amazing. These products combined together just did wonders to my hair. My hair feels clarified. My scalp feels clarified. My curls feel super soft. It just feels so rejuvenated. Like, I love this. And this is why I do natural hair care routines. That Taraji P. Henson line plus that TGIN deep conditioner with that steamer. Look what y'all got. Look what y'all got. Look at the curls, y'all. But that's my natural hair care routine. I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel for more. See you guys.